Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to
the good stuff.
What is up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. If you missed the last one, it was all about our time staying in a yurt in Goblin Valley State Park, and you can check that out right here. So Capitol Reef National Park is located just over an hour southwest of Goblin Valley. In the park, there are a few campgrounds, but remember, we try to boondock as much as possible to save money and have more space in nature. Located just outside the west entrance of the park is some public land that we stayed for a couple nights before finding a better spot just northwest of the town of Torrey. This is one of our all-time favorite boondocking spots. The way the early morning sun lights up those rocks is special and made for a great drone flight. Time to head into the park. I just love the contrast of the lush greenery and fruit trees and then the orange and red rock everywhere else. These deer live here and are used to the paparazzi. They definitely picked a nice place to live. Now for a 3.1 mile hike to Cassidy Arch. The mistake we made was going right in the middle of the day. It made parking the RV tricky and the sun and heat were pretty brutal. That said, it's really a great trail with cool rock formations, hiking on slick rock, and an impressive arch that people actually rappel down. We would definitely recommend hiking this trail. Let's see, can you even see it? It's right above this. Oh yeah,
under that big
I think
rock.
it's right. Let me see if I can point at it. Oh, there's my finger. That section.
Under the big rock.
Oh yeah,
right.
there it is. I see it in the
Gray
center.
and black.
Jeez, someone's freaking drone. You can't fly here, bro. We're in Capitol Reef National Park. The Hickman Bridge Trail is a nice mile-long hike to a beautiful natural bridge and some fun rocks to scramble around on. Just driving through the park is awesome, especially around sunset when the last light fades from the layers of ancient multicolored rock. If you're looking for an even shorter hike or just an evening stroll, the Goosenecks Trail is perfect and offers some sweet views down into the canyon.
All right, Jeremy's gearing up to go ride how many miles?
I think like 25.
25 miles!
All right, the last adventure for this area is a 20-mile bike ride on the Tantalus Flats Trail. I had Jenna drop me off up in the alpine of the Boulder Mountains, and I descended about 3,500 feet down to the red rocks within the national park. The views were fantastic, and I had at least an hour-long stretch where I did not see another human being. I would absolutely do this again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on post notifications for more weekly travel videos. See ya!